Hello, this is Ryan David aboard Aries Rising. One very important aspect is how you enter and exit the cabin. The door is somewhat tricky. So at times the door would get pushed against its latch, and so you won't be able to open the door. There have been times people have been stuck in here for hours waiting for me to come home. So very important, make sure that the door is pushed to the left while you operate this latch. So this is the latch that opens it this way. That's how you close it. This is the lock. When you see the red, means it's open. When you click it down, means it's locked for the evening. So if it's unlocked, but if the door gets pushed against this latch, which is most of the time, you're not gonna be able to open this door. So people get locked in. So what you wanna do is first push this latch against the door. You can push the door in and you kind of hear that push. Then operate the latch at the same time. So it's a push and a pull. It's a push and a pull. And you can use that as leverage. So that's how you get into, or that's how you open the latch. The other side is pretty much easy as well. You just click the latch. The main issue is getting out. So that's how you exit. Mwah.